Hello everyone, this is going to be the introduction to Flickr. And when you download Flickr on your mobile device, this will be the first screen that you'll get to. Flickr is used for photo storage. It can also be used for sharing your photos with friends and family, coworkers, anyone else. And you can also make photos public for anyone to view and appreciate. So from our main screen there, you're going to see we just click on the Get Started, and this is the screen that you're going to come to. And we're going to just simply fill in our information and click Continue. The next thing that's going to come to is just to verify your email address screen, and you just click on the Send Me an Account key, and then in your email they will send you the numbers that you'll just place in and click Verify. This will be your main Flickr screen. When you are here, it will show you the recommended photos, which you can just scroll through and look at. And you can also click on those horizontal lines on the bottom left there and get you back there at any point. The next thing we have here is the half of a person at the bottom right. So this is going to be your place with your information. You can see your photos here, what you have shared. You also be able to see any groups that you're a part of. The first time you come here, you're going to see this pop up and it wants to have access to your photos. So you should click OK there and then turn the auto uploader on. This will automatically take any photos that you take with your smart device and place them into Flickr for you. Next thing we're going to do is click on the camera right in the middle, and this is going to take us into our camera, and there are a lot of functions on the next screen that we're going to talk about individually. We're going to start at the top left with the icon, and we're going to work our way around the picture going clockwise. The first thing that we see is a picture of the camera with the circle in the middle, and that just allows you to change it from forward facing or rear facing and would allow for selfies. Next one is the lightning bolt in the center at the top, and that just allows for controlling the settings of the flash. And as you move around, the next one is the X in the top right corner, and that just allows you to exit from this screen and get back to the Flickr main screen. Now we're moving on to the bottom right, and we have the interlaced circles. That allows you to add a number of filters to your photos. It allows you to create some special effects and some really neat additions to your pictures. Next, we're in the center there, and this is the main button for this screen. This is how you actually take a picture or video, just by clicking in the center there. But you can see there's a small camera on the right side of that. That will be for still shots or photos, and then you see the video looking camera on the left. If you switch over to that, that will allow you to take videos, which can all be uploaded into Flickr. And then the last thing you see here on the bottom left, this is actually how you can get into your photos that you already have on your device. Maybe some that you've taken before you had Flickr, and you can upload those into the Flickr program. Next, we're going to look at the bell from the Flickr main screen. You can see when you click on that, it takes you into your notifications, and you'll see that anytime someone follows you or clicks like or favorites your photos, you'll get a notification there. The last one here is the magnifying glass for search function. And you can see I've clicked on that on mine, and it's taken me into Search Flickr with some random shots that come up, but you can just type in that top box any item, any color, any idea, and it will populate the group of photos based on that. The last thing we're going to talk about is a fun feature in Flickr where we can actually find our friends and family and start to connect with them. So the first thing we're going to do from our main Flickr screen, we're going to click on the person at the bottom right. Then we're going to click on the cog wheel or the gear wheel at the top right, and that's going to take us to a new screen. This is the screen it's going to take us to, and this is the settings. And you can see a few things there. There's some things where you can change about the auto uploader, the notifications, your privacy and safety, and then there's help and the account key, and if you'd like to give them feedback. But the thing we're going to focus on is the one second from the top there, and that's the finding friends. This is how we're going to be able to find people that we know and love and people that we'd like to share our photos with and see theirs. And you can see there's a couple options there. The first one is connect to Facebook. So all you have to do is click on that find friends there in the center, and it's going to connect to all your Facebook contacts. Next one over the middle is Twitter, and that will do the same thing. So any of your Twitter contacts. And the last one is the contacts, and that is the actual contacts on your mobile device. It'll allow you to find everyone that you have in your devices and on your contact list and add them into your Flickr. So there you have it. That's the introduction to the Flickr app. I know that's a lot of new information, a lot of new things to play with, but it is a really nice app for sharing photos with public and friends and family. And there's a lot of inspiration there by searching and viewing other people's photos and seeing some really neat things.